Hi, I'm Colleen. I'm a registered dietitian and Sakara's in-house nutritionist, and today we are talking about cortisol. Cortisol, one of the wellness world's hottest topics at the moment, and rightfully so. This hormone impacts everything from your sleep, to your stress levels, to your energy, and even your gut health. Today we're going to break down what cortisol is, how it can impact your body and influence your health outcomes, and ultimately help you feel your best. So what is cortisol? Cortisol is a steroid hormone that is produced by your adrenal glands. Those are located on the top of your kidneys. It's often called the stress hormone, but it impacts so much more, from your metabolism to your immunity to your sleep-wake cycle. Fun fact, cortisol actually follows a daily pattern, spiking its highest in the morning, helping you wake up feeling energized, and slowly decreasing throughout the day, allowing for melatonin to increase, putting you into a restful deep sleep. So what is the impact of high cortisol? Stressful situations can activate your body's fight or flight response, which releases a surge of cortisol into the body. In the short term, it's a really helpful resource for your body to fend off the stressful situation, but when we're exposed to chronic stressful situations, this elevated cortisol can impact so many parts of your body, from your immune system to your digestion and your gut health. Common symptoms of excessively high cortisol include brain fog, fatigue, stubborn weight gain, sleep disturbances, and even irregular menstrual periods. Here are some practical tips that can help you nourish your body and reduce cortisol levels. Number one is eat plants. At Sakara, we pack our meals with nutrient-dense whole foods in order to support your body's stress response, as well as adaptogens like ashwagandha that can support your adrenals and reduce your cortisol levels. Number two is to reduce your toxin exposure. Exposure to toxins can increase our cortisol response and dysregulate the stress system in our body. At Sakara, we opt for the highest quality organic produce in order to reduce your toxic exposure, which is so common in the foods that we eat. Number three is to manage your stress mindfully with techniques like deep breaths, meditation, and light movement in order to regulate your cortisol. One of my favorite tips for this is having my Sakara meals delivered directly to my house to help me avoid decision fatigue and help me lower my daily stress. Number four is to prioritize sleep. High quality, deep, restful sleep is so essential for balancing our cortisol levels. Hot tip, make sure you put your screens away before bed at least an hour before you fall asleep, and create a dark, quiet, restful environment so that you can get your best night of sleep. My final tip is to harness the innate power of adaptogens. Adaptogens are natural compounds that come from the earth that support our body's stress resilience and managing and balancing our cortisol levels. Our foundation supplement contains ashwagandha, which is a really easy way to get this powerful adaptogen into your daily routine. So balancing your cortisol levels is not about being perfect, it's about creating small, intentional habits that will support your stress resilience on a daily basis. From nourishing with plant-based meals to incorporating mindful practices and optimizing your sleep, there are so many small ways that you can work to support your body's stress system. If you're looking for effortless ways to support your health, make sure you check out Sakara's meals and products that are designed with your well-being in mind. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your favorite stress management tips below. Let's navigate this wellness world together.